Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a signature on the new version of Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So on this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, you will have noticed that we have been migrated to the latest version of the application itself. For us to now compile a brand new email, let's navigate to the left top corner of the screen where it says new email. Click on this or hover over to create a new email, event or contact. We are looking to compile a brand new email. Let's click on this. And now we will be sending this email to the Computer Science Videos business@gmail account. Let's type that in now. Double click to confirm that it is being sent to the Gmail account. The subject will be no signature. Let's now compile this email. Dear CSV, please see the email below. Kind regards. And then what we would do is insert a signature by going to the top navigation menu, clicking on signature. If I were to, let's just say now, click on admin, that would insert the signature. However, let's now highlight and delete, go to signature, go to manage signatures. Let's now create a new signature, admin, and then let's just insert a basic number. That's the number, email, admin@computersciencevideos.com. Let's just change the signature name to trial. Click on save. So that itself has now been saved. Now let's click X to go back into our email. Let's now go to signature, go to trial. So that itself is now the signature that we created and inserted into the email. If we now highlight and delete this, let's now go back to signature, manage signatures, and we want to remove a signature that we created completely from the system. Go to trial. Now click on this minus sign, which brings up a prompt on screen. Are you sure you want to permanently delete the selected signature? This action cannot be undone. That's fine. Click on delete. So that signature itself has been deleted. Now let's just think that we only had one signature available. As this has now been deleted, we cannot insert a signature. So we'll just say kind regards, admin, full stop, send. So the email itself has now been sent. We can now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Click on this to open up Google Chrome. Let's now go to Gmail to locate that email, which has a subject, no signature. Dear CSV, please see the email below. Kind regards, admin without a signature. As the signature itself was deleted from our main system, we can now quit Google Chrome. Now let's go down to the dock, go back to Outlook, quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now. or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.